Hello, look what came today, finally, the R3867, which is the 2020 Hornby Collector Club Loco Holden 101 Class O-4-T Hornby 100. Let's open her up and see what she looks like. Came in this white box here, by the way. Nothing else in the box. Got some poppers. Pop, pop, pop. Why do everybody like to pop these as soon as they get hold of them in their hand? Okay, so this is it. You've got, let's take a look at the side. Exactly what I said a few moments ago. R3867 2020 Hornby Collectors Club Loco. This is in the Braille Road packaging, as you can see. There's no information on the back, it's just warning. Let's open her up and then let's see what it looks like inside. I've got the usual paperwork, 404 locomotive, HP motor. Okay, we've got the operating and maintenance instructions here. The general, running hints, routine maintenance. You've all seen this before, just like where to oil it, how to take the cover off. And there's all that normal stuff, that spares, parts and service. So let's get the Loco out. They do pack them up well. The only spare bits they've got is, got quite a few bits here. Oh, there's a little man. A little man. Oh, look, there's two of them. Oh, that's good. We've got one with a spade and one setting down. I haven't had a little person for age, and two pipes. That's quite good. I think they'll do more of these little men. So I'll definitely be gluing them down. One of them in there, and then the other one in another Loco to make it a bit more real. I'm quite pleased about that. No spring buffers. This is the centenary year Hornby, and they've numbered it 100, so you know. It's a tank engine. You can tell because we've got the tanks on the side. It's got detail inside. You can just about to see. And you've got coal on there. There's a little round steering wheel type handle there. It's not a steering wheel, but a little wheel, should I say. It's not painted detail, so you can just, there you go. I'm not quite too sure how I'm going to get the little man in there, but I will stick him in there. I won't put both in there, just one of them. There's no, the two little round windows and two little side windows, they don't have anything in them like plastic or glass. They're just as you see them. It's not that heavy, it's not that light. So let's give it a test run. This is the Hornby Collector Club Loco. Let's give it a bit of a test run. Seems to be okay. Let's see how slow it can go. Bit for noisy. And it cuts out. There is one thing I've noticed with this Loco. Let's take a look at this. The Hornby Collector Club Loco 2020 is the same as, apart from the livery, the 2018 Collectors Club Loco, which is the same as, apart from the livery, the 2013 Collectors Club Loco. Let's take all three of them a bit more detail. Apart from the livery, these two have got their handrails painted in gold and this one hasn't. It's got its handrails down the side here painted in black, and these two have got them painted in gold. I know these two have got men in them because I put men in these two, but I mean even the Southern and the GWR one in the middle, both green, well they're slightly different shades of green. This one's slightly lighter, the Southern is slightly lighter than the GWR green, but basically they're all the same Loco. None of them got spring buffers. They've all got the same type of coupling. They've all got the little coal bunker on the back, and they've all got their little wheel there. They've all got plastic whistles. They've all got this bit here. Come on Hornby, surely you can give us a 060 for a change, because all the Locos you've given us so far have been a 040. So it'd be nice to give us something like different for a change. So let's go and test it on the main track and see how well it pulls. I'm doing something special here. All these 5 Locos are all from the Hornby Collector Club. Like this is from this year's 2020 club. That's last year's Loco from 2019. That's from 2018. That's from 2014. This one on the siding over here is from 2013. I can only do 4 Locos at the same time, so I only got 4 rings, as you can see. Now the 2020 Loco will be pulling 5 wagons from the set from the E-Link Special Train set. 2019 we'll be carrying, I got from the Whirly exhibition from last year. The 2018 Loco will just be pulling coal wagon from Burrow Hill, Staveley in Chesterfield, and the 2014 Loco will be pulling wagons from the last of the private owners. Watch it hook up these 5 wagons then. Doesn't seem to want to, does it? So it looks like that one doesn't like the hill too much. Problems with railways. Tunnels. Having trouble with this network rail one. The reason why this was not pulling up earlier because the wheels on this car transporter were stuck, but now it's working fine. Not one thing to another. Last year's model seems to be having all the limelight here. Anyway, that's the Hornby Collector Club Loco 100. Hope you like what you saw, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you. Bye.